If Discord is showing an internal server error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right away. This issue can happen for a bunch of different reasons, including temporary app glitches, corrupted cache, browser problems, or even network routing issues. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, the easiest fix is to restart Discord completely. Don't just minimize it or close the window. You want to fully close the app from your system tray if it's running there, or use Task Manager on Windows to end the Discord process completely. To do that, right-click the taskbar or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find Discord in the list and end the task. Once it's fully closed, reopen Discord and check if the error is gone. A full restart can clear temporary bugs and reset the connection. If you're still seeing the error and you're using Discord in a web browser, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, which can cause website errors like this one. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images and files, along with cookies if needed. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Discord. This often fixes loading problems and strange server errors caused by broken browser data. Now let's move on to another useful fix, flushing your DNS. DNS helps your computer translate website names into server addresses, and if that data gets stuck or outdated, it can interfere with Discord's connection. On Windows, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart your browser or Discord app and test it again. This can help clear out routing problems that may be causing the internal server error. If the issue still isn't fixed, it's worth trying the same steps in combination. Restart Discord first, then clear browser cache if you're using the web version, and finally flush DNS to refresh your network settings. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem immediately. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that Discord itself isn't having a wider outage, because sometimes the issue is on the server side rather than your device. So to recap, the main fixes are fully restart Discord, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're on the web version, and flush your DNS using Command Prompt as administrator. These are the safest and most effective steps to try when Discord shows an internal server error. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Discord fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting Discord working again.